Hello, friends. Let us try to understand the biochemical basis of hypocalcemia in acute pancreatitis. First of all, what is acute pancreatitis? It is an acute inflammation of pancreas associated with release of pancreatic enzymes into the surrounding tissue. So, the pancreatic enzymes are released into the pancreas as well as surrounding tissue. So, that is why there is auto digestion of pancreatic tissue happening. So there are enzymes released. Enzymes like alpha amylase, which breaks starch. Enzymes like lipase, which breaks fat. Fat means always triglyceride. Lipase acts on triacylglycerol and it releases fatty acids. What happens when lipase is released into the blood as well as surrounding tissue? First, let us look in the case of blood. So there is lot of lipase released into the bloodstream. So this breaks triglycerides into free fatty acids. So lot of fatty acids. So this fatty acids combine with ionized calcium which is present in the blood to form soap, calcium soap. So this is the saponification reaction which we have studied in our school days. So there is insoluble calcium soap formation. Ionized calcium is lowered because of saponification reaction. Right? So this is the biochemical basis of low ionized calcium in acute pancreatitis. What about lipase which is being released into the surrounding tissue? What happens to that lipase? Let us discuss that also. Look at this image. What are you seeing here? It's written fat necrosis. So in Robbins, you might have studied the types of necrosis. Can you recall? Liquefactive, coagulative, caseous, fat, fibrinoid, and gangrenous. So what is fat necrosis? That is what we are going to discuss. In acute pancreatitis, lipase is released. This lipase, it acts on the surrounding fat tissue. So in omentum, there is fat. So all the viscera, they have surrounding pad of fat, cushioning action of fat is there, right? So this fat, that is triglyceride, is broken down to release fatty acid. Again, this fatty acid, it combines with calcium to form soap. So you can see this is all nothing but soap. So in acute pancreatitis, the necrosis seen is fat necrosis. It is because of which reaction? Saponification reaction. Soap formation. So I hope I have tried my best in explaining the concept. Still, if there is any doubt, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Please share this video with your friends so that the effort I put in this video can reach many. Thank you very much.